Last night we saw the northern lights make it all the way down to Texas, and we may do it again as a G4 magnetic storm continues to be ejected toward Earth. And as we take a look at what we could see for tonight, remember, not all solar storms are created equal. So just because we saw a brilliant show last night doesn't mean we will tonight. However, the potential exists in our area for at least a red hue across the northern horizon, maybe a little bit more if it's a little bit stronger. So we'll continue to watch this. The only thing is you don't know until it actually hits. So that's what we're going to have to wait for here. But the science behind the aurora, of course, we have Earth and the Earth's magnetic field. And of course, we get those coronal mass ejections out from the sun. And when those happen, those particles get into Earth's magnetic field, and that's what creates the lights across the area. Usually they're way to the north, across the North Pole and the South Pole. However, with these strong storms, they can, with those charged particles, make it all the way down here, and that's what we saw. So the red auroras that we're seeing are about 200 kilometers above the Earth's atmosphere. So it is quite a far way up there. But as you get farther north in latitude, that's where you get the blues and the greens. We won't be seeing that around here, but the reds will definitely be possible. But back here on the ground, we do still have burn bans in effect for our area. It's pretty much the same counties as what we had last week. So again, be careful burning anything as it's still dry and quite warm. 82 degrees for your Thursday and Friday, 83 on Saturday, 85 Sunday and Monday, and then we'll take it down into the middle 70s for Tuesday and Wednesday. So it is definitely going to be above normal even when it cools off as we head toward the middle of next week. So we'll just call this November warmth across the area. Mostly clear skies will continue for tonight. Any high clouds staying off toward the west, associated with the next storm system, which will likely stay north and west of us. As we take a look at your forecast, you can see that we do have that storm system rolling into the west. This is 5 o'clock on Friday. That's how slow this thing is going to move. And then by Saturday, it continues to move inland through California and Arizona. But I do think it kind of gets stuck out there across the desert southwest and actually ejects farther to the northeast. So I have taken rain chances out Sunday into Monday, as it looks like that storm system will stay away from us. However, by Tuesday, there could be an isolated shower or storm, especially across our southern areas as a cold front moves through the area. And then better chances by Wednesday and Thursday should be rolling into the region as that next storm system gets closer. But again, this is based on the latest data, and the models just continuously push this off a little farther with each run. So hopefully by the middle to end of next week, we can get a little rain in here. So for tonight, temperatures will be down into the 50s for the most part, maybe a few low 60s across the south. Then tomorrow, highs in the upper 70s and lower 80s for us. So it is going to be well above normal, and that trend continues into Friday, going into Saturday and Sunday, highs into the mid 80s. Same for Monday at 85 degrees. Then we get our chances for a few thunderstorms, slight chance on Tuesday, maybe a slightly better chance late Wednesday going into Thursday the way it looks right now, possibly lingering into Friday if this continues to slow down even more. And in the Brazos Valley, 82 degrees on Thursday, 83 Friday and Saturday, pair of 85s there Sunday and Monday. And again, we're watching for hopefully some rain chances by the end of next week.